Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning how to create group in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Let's begin by logging into our account. On the left hand side, click on Teams and Groups. Select Active Teams and Groups. Now we have Microsoft 365 Groups, Distribution Groups and Security Group. Microsoft 365 Groups is for SharePoint, Outlook and Teams, while Distribution List is for email distribution only. Security group is for permission and access control. Now let's begin with the Microsoft 365 groups. So you click on add a Microsoft 365 group. Give your group a name. Give it a description. Then you click on next. Assign owners. The owners have access to add or remove members in the group. You click on assign owners. Choose the people you want to give access as owners. So then you click on add. Click on next. The next thing is to assign members to the group. Click on add members. Then select the members you want to be added in the group. You can add as many as you want. Then click on add. Click next. The next is to select the email address. You can type it, your email address. Then you click on next. Review your settings. Then click on create group. That's all, our group has been created. Click on close. If you want to see the group we just created now, you can scroll down from this to search for it, or you click on search. Type in the name of the group. So you can see this is the group we just created. You can click on it to open. If there is any changes you want to do here, you can click on setting and edit whatever you want to edit. Thank you. Now let's go back to the group. Let's create distribution list. Click on distribution list. Add a distribution list. Enter the name. Impute the distribution, then you click on next. Assign owners. Choose the owners. You can choose one depending on how many people you want to choose. Then click on add. Click on next. Add member. Allow it to load. As you can see, it's taking time. It's taking time to load. Don't know why it's taking time, but let's retry. Okay, it's downloading. Let's select the members. Click on add. Then click on next. Enter the email address. You can see the email address is already taken. Click on next. Review. Then close. As easy as ABC. Same goes to security group. Thank you guys. That's all we have for today. See you in our next class.